Did you know that snails may seem slow, but they're full of surprises? Let's explore the fascinating world of snails. Snails carry their homes on their backs. Their shells are made of calcium carbonate and can come in all sorts of shapes and colors. Despite their reputation for being slow, some snails can actually move as fast as 50 meters per hour. That's about 0.03 miles per hour. Snails are herbivores, munching on leaves, vegetables, and even fruits. They have thousands of tiny teeth on their tongue, called a radula, to help them eat. Snails have eyes at the tips of their tentacles. These eyes can detect light and movement, helping them navigate their surroundings and avoid predators. There are over 100,000 species of snails around the world, ranging from tiny snails, less than a centimeter long, to giant African land snails that can grow as big as a human hand. Ever wondered why snails leave behind a trail of slime? It helps them move smoothly across rough surfaces and also acts as a protective layer against drying out. During dry or cold weather, snails can seal themselves inside their shells and hibernate until conditions improve. A handy survival trick. Snails communicate using touch and chemicals. They can sense their environment and each other through their sensitive antennae. And that's it for our fun fact video about snails. Hope you enjoyed learning about these fascinating creatures. Bye for now.